Hello, I'm John from MetalWorks. We've been recently buying long block 6 liters from GM Performance and building our own engines, so to speak, out of it. What I mean by that is, in a long block you get the engine block and cylinder heads, but you have to dress it out with your intake manifold and drive kits and that. Here's a couple that we just put together. You can see they're a little more custom versus just a plain old LS, like the LS3 from GM Performance, where they all look the same. You get different finishes, different colors, and they just kind of look kind of tough that way. Recently, we just have the 6 liter in our personal shop car and super impressed. That thing really pulls hard. That's coupled with a 4L60E that was custom built with a custom computer, which is really nice to dial in your shift points and your shift firmness. I drove that car quite a bit yesterday just playing with it, and I'm super happy with it. So if you'd like any information on these, give us a call here at the shop. I think you'd be impressed with the price on them. They're also a very good deal compared to the GM Performance, like the Connection Crew series.